Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to download and install VMware Workstation Player in Ubuntu. So let's get started. First of all, download VMware Workstation Player from this website. Click on this link, Workstation Player, and then go to bottom of this page. Here you will see the download link. Click here. Now click on go to downloads link. Okay, from here download VMware Workstation Player for Linux. Click here to download. I already have downloaded it on my machine. After a successful download, navigate to download folder and then give the execution permission of this file. So right click on this file and open properties and then click on permissions tab. Now allow executing file as program, so mark this option. Okay, now open in terminal and then update your system using this command sudo apt update. Now extract VMware installer. Use this command dot slash and then enter the name of this bundle VMware player, then hit enter. It may take a while for extracting VMware installer. Let's install VMware on Ubuntu. So search VMware on Ubuntu dash, open VMware player. Now accept the terms in the license agreement and then click on next, and also accept the terms in the license agreement and then click on next. Now select any of the option from here. Click on next. Click on next. If you don't have a license key, select the second option to use VMware Player for free for non-commercial use. So click on finish. Now enter the password for your system. That's it. VMware Workstation Player installed successfully on your system. Now create new virtual machine and install any operating system on VMware Workstation Player. If you are new to this channel, subscribe this channel and like, comment, share. Thank you so much for watching this video.